This video I'm going to show you how I make a quick steak dish. This steak is ngam 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 ngam. So enjoy. Marination time. I listed all the spices I put in, and I'm going to be adding some onion, ginger, and garlic. For the ginger, you just put a little bit that make it have that spiciness. And I'm going to brown it first, and I'll be putting some little bit of A1 sauce. You can also put A1 sauce from the beginning. Continue to cook it for about 5 minutes and then turn it when it browns. After I turn it, I'm going to be putting some onions. Then I stir it and cover it up and let it cook for about 8 minutes to be nice and yummy. Yes. Nice and brown, you can see there. Beautiful color. Beautiful, delicious. That's all it's to it. Nice, delicious, brown, and a bit crispy. Oh, this is delicious. You gotta try this. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Don't forget to comment and press that like button. Thank you for watching.